Today's a really exciting day on the farm. We're going to explore some passive income opportunities. So one thing about this property that really attracted me to it was this barn. And, this is over 100 years old.
Really using the homestead to our advantage is a big part of what we're going to try to accomplish here. We're going to try to use it for passive income by using the venue for weddings, things like that. We're also going to try to use it for production value for movies, commercials, and we've made some inroads in that venue there. And we're also going to use the land to produce items that we can sell. While that's not truly passive and will require some energy, it's something that we wouldn't have the opportunity with if we were living in town. So we're going to use the property to our advantage. Thanks for watching our little homestead overview. If you were interested in seeing more of this journey, follow along, like, and subscribe.